In this video, I will be showing you how to switch between email accounts in Outlook to compose and send emails. So let's get started with the video. In Outlook dashboard, to compose an email, click this New Email button in the left side of the screen. And now, in the right side of the screen, you can see the Compose email window. By default, you can find an email account in the Compose window. To switch to other email account, you will need to click the email account beside the Send button. And you can find all the email account, which you can select. Again, if you want to switch to more email account, click Other Email Account tab. Other email address, where you can select any of the suggested email accounts and compose the email to be sent. Like any regular email account, add the recipient's email account, the subject of the email to be sent, and below the main content in this box. And click the Send button to send the email. And done with this switching email account video in Outlook.
With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.